In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play War Thunder on Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and acquire War Thunder to play on your Xbox One console. This is going to work for old gen Xbox One for any model or new gen Xbox Series X or S. All that you have to do is open the Microsoft Store directly on your console or visit the Xbox website, whatever you prefer. When you go over to the Xbox website or the Microsoft Store, you can look for War Thunder. By looking for War Thunder, the first result should be the game, and as you might be aware, it is free to get, so you don't need an Xbox subscription, you don't need to purchase it. All that you have to do is click on Get, and you will be able to download this on your Xbox console. Of course, there are some options here that you can acquire optionally, so you will have some bundles, so you can choose whichever one you want. The German Beginner Bundle, US Starter Bundle, USSR Starter Bundle, and so on. And when you purchase any of these, you will be able to play War Thunder, of course, because it is free to acquire, but you will also get a bunch of goodies. So this one includes a lot of things, including currency and a premium account on the game. But to keep it simple, just click Get on War Thunder, and as you can clearly see, it is going to be playable on Xbox One and then the next gen consoles, Xbox Series X or S. You will be able to access online multiplayer with up to 32 people on the same server, and there is a lot to explore. They list Xbox cross-platform multiplayer, 60 FPS plus, optimized, Xbox One X enhanced, and so on. And like I said, the game is fully available, ready to play on consoles. You will get the same experience off of the game on your console as you would if you were running it on your PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to play War Thunder on Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.